ko pila sngewbha ka jing start ka ba phio na school ne phitang sngodon kam ban tip khambha shishu ya ka core computer one ha AICS lane Advanced Institute of Computer Science kabadon ha paham sim Nongpoh marpresya bat ka school Alpha Higher Secondary School ngidon sibun kirkom hikai ban tip ya ka computer bantip khambnia shishu phun hau number pra line nyo ar nyo sau ar nreu nyo lane praiwe line ar not sau pra san sau one mapi hikai mangi banang ban start mapi ban sengan galawai jong gari om tangkata henrengi diru ya ki laptop bat ki computer ki barim lane ki all stock hagador ke babit bat ki mar ki badang tip top Banang penlong shishu ia ki Samla ban klan ke jengmut jeng perkhat kum ki Samla Pule bat ban laj na ki jeng penlut por bat penmlin ban le ia ki kam ki basniu bat ro banang pensyai bat pensung thu ia ki jeng bom sengan jong ka imlang salang namar ka jengjan palat ki jeng sniu ki baker ha saudong jong ki jaka ka bagi Samla ki don la ka de ha ka mobile ka bagi Samla ki ju penlut por ne ha ka jeng im ka baman la ka sengi ka Red Ribbon Club Bhoi College Nongpoh ka bolong hapo ka jingpen bed bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ha ka jingit relang bat ka NSS Unit Bhoi College Nongpoh kala penlong ya ka District Level Youth Fest arhajar arpsau bat ye kanila penlong hari Bhoi College Nongpoh hagini kesengi lawan baniran bentalang da ke kong bala kentiu rani kepada Additional Deputy Commissioner ke District Bhoi nang da ke Dr. E. Kalwing kepada District Tuberculosis Officer kepada Iruh Hujukpor ke District AIDS Control Officer Bhoi District nang da Dr. A. D. kepada Nodal Officer DRC Bhoi College Nongpoh u Principal ke Bhoi College u E. Beni ki nohikai lembat ke Samla Pule jong ke college Habai jingkran na kaliang jong ke Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi District ke kong bala kentiu rani kala kentu ya ke Samla Pule da ke boong ba kapor Samla ke de ke por ban rai ya kala wei badru ke de ke por ban sim ya ke jingkit kli na ke benta ke jingim ke basya ke wei pat ke kertan jong ke jingim badru ke de ke por ban wat ya ke jingnang jingstan da ke juk thamai bat ke bahap ban penon kam da ki kor teknologi bat ki ne ki bor teknologi ki badan hak ni ke juk ke bamenta ki joy lam bakla lada omla ban te lakam ya ke kom pendon kam kabaila meru sya ke jing bakla jong ke jingim bat ka jing di drugs kalong ka wei na ki jing ma ki bami na ka jing syak ta ha ke jing pang HIV AIDS dari kamana da chicks new sudah tak syabah ni lega syabah ni pai uyang cipang HIV unang roy derhai Samla bin hebat Shillong now we look at line writing udah puson ha ya kanjing im tungin kendir penriu barat engkau yang kawas
population in the country, and Meghalaya has 30% of youth or young population in the state. So we have a number of young population in the state which is more than the national average. And these, I would like to believe that is one of the most impressionable age in and among us. We we have an age group of the adolescents who are growing, who are making choices, who are learning, and when we live in an environment, in a society like we do today, I think all these organizations like the NSS, the college team, the AIDS control, the River Club, we all have a collective responsibility to spread awareness on HIV, on its various consequences on a person's life. So I believe that the program we have today is a very, very significant step that is being taken by all these agencies and institutions to bring forth the awareness in our youth today. We have our mobile phones. All of us are equipped with knowledge right in our hands. And as Doctor has said, actually we live in an age where information is bursting from all angles, from all sides. But we should look for the right information. We're equipped with all the devices to learn. But what we learn from the technology we have, that is entirely your choice. So while we sit here and have this program, I would like to impress on all students here from the college, from schools, you are really in an age group where you are learning, you're trying to experiment, you're trying to live up to the pressure of being an adolescent in today's world. So without much ado about the things that can happen to us, but what I would like to impress on all the students here today and the responsibility that we have as adults is that you are young only once. Okay, from the time that you attain the age of 18 to the time that you're 30, it's a very small, short period of being young in a person's life. After 30, a person's autonomy becomes a very mature, the choices will have been made. Now this is the time that college students, school students, this is a time when you are being given the responsibility to explore your knowledge. And in the time of technology and information that we have today, we're often led to explore the wrong side of life. And drug abuse being one of them, and the consequences of being infected with HIV. So as Doctor has very gently put it on us today, that knowledge is power. Use the time that you have, invest your time in all the activities that would channelize your energy into a different purpose. So what I would like to state to all the young friends today present here is that we have a very, very short span of time when you're young. And this is a time to invest your energy in all the positive things in life. Now one of the things that is really dying in the culture of reading. So mobile phones have replicated our television, our books, our libraries, even our classroom. We think that we actually have everything in our hand. But as we have seen, that a lot of things has gone, a lot of reason has had a lot of things, and there's a lot of reason that has resulted in the number of rising cases of HIV positive in our state. I would not like to dwell on all those reasons. I think if we all joined the Red Ribbon Club in the college, in the district, I think all of you will be more aware of what are the things that matters and what is that you should get as a person regarding HIV. But I would not like to dwell on the clinical aspect of it. What I would like to impress on our young friends today is how to channelize your energy, so that you will not fall prey into the abuse of drugs, okay? That you will not fall into the abuse of being a drug pusher and the ultimate consequences of being infected with HIV. You have to really invest your time in very, very positive activities. I think the activities that the organizers of today's program has done today, from the marathon to quiz to the cultural program, this is meant to engage the youth, to engage the minds of the young ones, because as we all know, an empty mind is a devil's workshop. Nobody is more prone to evil than a person whose mind is empty, who is without activity. So you are a very privileged lot to still have the opportunity to continue studying, to study in school. These are very, very precious moments in a person's life. So what I'd like to dwell upon is that all of you should make use of your time to channelize your energy history, engage your teachers, kindly participate in all the extracurricular activities that the college is giving you with. You're being given chances and platforms at many levels, which I think is very conducive for a very inclusive learning. We all come to college and school not to learn about books. We have to be total individuals, okay? We have to be the leaders of the future. And as I see from the theme of today's program, it's protecting the future, empowering youth against HIV or AIDS. So why this program is being organized, I think you're well aware by now that we are targeting or we are bringing forth an awareness into the most vulnerable group of our society. And if all of you are enthusiastically participating or joining the Red Ribbon Club, I think you would do well to be ambassadors of the society in spreading awareness of AIDS and the consequences of it. So there's not much that I can say, but I can only...
Previous speaker had told that Red Ribbon is not just a symbol, it represents our collective commitment to combating the stigma and discrimination associated with HIV and AIDS. As we come today, and this program is served as a beacon of hope for those people living with HIV, reminding us that through awareness, prevention, and support, we can make a significant impact in the life of those affected by this disease and their families. It's easier said than done to combating stigma and discrimination for those people living with HIV. We always talk about how to decrease stigma and discriminations against HIV, but most of the time we just in words, but not in action. The Red Ribbon symbolizes our collective commitment to raising awareness, preventing the spread of HIV through the quiz competition and posters and skits and songs, and supporting those affected by this disease. It is not just a symbol. This Red Ribbon is not a symbol. It's a call to action, a reminder that we must educate ourselves, especially the youth, and to educate others also to combat the stigma and discrimination. Let us take into action, not only in speech. The fight against HIV/AIDS is not just the responsibility of the health professionals or those directly affected by it, not only the HIV and their families, but is the responsibility involved all of us, each and every one of us involved to fight against this HIV and AIDS. Events like this Red Ribbon Fest play a crucial role in educating our youth, especially our college students, about the realities of HIV